Taking a screenshot is a pretty common activity these days and it is quite useful as well. But if you do not know how to take a screenshot on your iPhone 14 series, then in this video I'm going to show you 3 different methods that you can use to take a screenshot on your iPhone 14 Pro, Pro Max, iPhone 14 or the iPhone 14 Plus. But before we start, if you're new to this channel, then do not forget to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads. So the very first method to take the screenshot on your iPhone 14 series is using the physical buttons. Let's say I'm here at my lock screen and I want to take a screenshot of this page. So what I have to do is press the power key or the side button and the volume up key together. Press and hold them quickly and release quickly as well, because if you press them for longer duration, then the power off menu will appear. So here I am at my lock screen. All I have to do is press the power key and volume up key together like this. And you can see that a screenshot is captured here on the bottom left corner, you can see. So now if I go to the Photos app and then I go to the Recents, here you can see that this is a screenshot that I have just captured. As you can see, this is an image. If you want, you can edit it as well the way you want. So this is the method number 1 to capture a screenshot on your iPhone 14 Pro Max or whatever iPhone 14 series device you got. The second method is with the help of Siri. So all you have to do is launch Siri and just give the command for taking a screenshot. So it's pretty simple. So just launch Siri, take a screenshot, and the screenshot is captured. As you can see here, if I tap on this, you can see I get the option to crop and scale or select the text that I want to look up or translate or copy for whatever reason. So this is the method number 2 that you can use on your iPhone 14 series device to capture a screenshot. Now let's talk about the method number 3, and this is a unique method and needs a bit of configuration. So the iPhone 14 series comes with back tap feature where you can perform a particular task by just tapping on the back of the device, but you need to configure it and assign a particular task to be performed. So for that, you have to go to the settings. After that, you have to go to the accessibility. Then you have to go to the touch, scroll down at the bottom, and here you will find an option called back tap. Tap on this and then you will get 2 options, double tap or triple tap. So you can assign a particular task for the double tap and a separate task for triple tap. The list is same, you can select any of these. So I'm going to select the double tap, tap on none, and after that look for the screenshot option. Here it is, just tap on this and you can see that it is selected now. Now if I go back from here, I'm in the settings menu and I want to take a screenshot of this. So all I have to do is double tap on the back of my iPhone 14 Pro Max here and a screenshot will be captured, as you can see. So this is the method number 3 of taking a screenshot on your iPhone 14 Pro Max or whatever iPhone 14 series smartphone you got. First one is using the physical keys, side button, volume up. The second one is with the help of voice assistant, take a screenshot. And the third one is with the help of back tap feature, where you just need to tap on the back of your iPhone 14 Pro Max to take a screenshot. So these are the 3 methods that you can use on your iPhone 14 Pro Max or whatever iPhone you got. So that's all for now, friends. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it useful, then give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe the channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads. And I'll see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.